Hello, Week to Warriors. So, right now I'm going to share with you my story with the wonderful magical herb that is ginger. So, ginger is a herb that's been used for thousands and thousands of years, used by the ancient Greeks and Romans. The ancient Egyptians knew about it, and they used this herb to treat nausea, relieve constipation, relieve gastrointestinal problems, treat inflammation. And because of this, and because of my research into herbs, when I developed issues in high school, so I developed these gastrointestinal problems, largely related to like low sodium diet, low carb diets, not having a detailed understanding that I do now, following mainstream advice, led me to a bad place, destroyed my gut function. And once my gut function was destroyed, I was pooping out whole blueberries, ended up with blood in my poop at one point. It was really bad. It was in the low sodium phase. Added some sodium in, blood went away, thank God, but still having massive digestive issues, nausea all the time, eating food, not really digesting, pooping out like this diarrhea sludge that smelled like death. And I was just like, am I dying? Like, what's going on here? And I couldn't really digest carbs at this point because if I tried to eat carbs, this was when I was like 17, I tried to eat carbs, I just have like this inflammation reaction or food would like sit in my gut. And it was just really like a really pain in the butt because like food wasn't really digesting. And I was like, what do I do? What do I do? So I start taking ginger juice, start drinking this ginger juice stuff because of all the benefits it has with improving enzyme function in the gut, reducing inflammation in the gut because I was having inflammation problems in my gut. And drinking this ginger juice, just pouring it in my water and just drinking it throughout the day. And doing that, I was digesting better. I was having less bloating in my gut. I was having really healthy bowel movements and like healthy bowel movements for the first time in a while. And it was just really amazing. I just kept consuming ginger for like 8 months, just pretty much nonstop because I just didn't want to lose these benefits. And then over time, I stopped consuming as much because I didn't really need it. So my body was doing rather well. But ginger, like it's really quite remarkable. Right now, I have a little ginger and apple cider drink that I'm sipping on. I feel really good. It has really positive mental effects. It has very positive digestive effects, and I feel like a nice like energy from it. It's really really good, and it builds up in your system too, so you get more energy from it the more you consume it. Subscribe for more tips. Done.